Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tash, and today I'll be teaching you about how to get that laid back, chill, fast brows with little to minimal products. And as you can see, my face, I already did one half of my face, so you can get a little bit of a glimpse into what's to come. So as you can see, my brows, they aren't neat and refined. I'm trying to grow them out because I have little to minimal brows, and I've been waxing a lot and it's been just tearing my brows, so I've been practicing the method of threading. So I'm just showing you my brow pencil that I'm about to use. It's brown and it's gonna match my hair follicles perfectly, and I'm just making small strokes and I'm just outlining my brow perimeter, and I'm just following the natural shape of the hair follicles. And I'm sorry if the mirror covers my face at times. I've just wanted to ensure that I get a close-up view when I'm doing my brows. When I'm doing my brows, I'm normally standing in front of the hallway mirror, but I couldn't film that way because my back would be turned. So bear with me. I'm just using the brow pencil to make small sparse strokes, and I'm going in with my spoolie to make sure there are no patches, there's no missing spots, and everything is blend seamlessly and just look all natural. And this is perfect if you don't have any brows like me. You can use the pomade or the brow pencil and you can still achieve that natural 9 to 5 everyday go-to look. And you can do it over time in less time, but brows take time. Sometimes they're cousins, sometimes they're step parents, sometimes they're divorced. They have their moments, but just have patience with yourself. You can do this. I'm going in with my flat brush now, and I'm about to apply my concealer. The concealer I've been using is one given to me by my sister. I know it's black opal, and I'm not sure of the shade or the name, but it's this beautiful honey nude that just gives that brow bone that pop. And I'm telling you, I have to go look for it in the stores, because when this is done, I need a replacement. So I'm just outlining my brows, taking my time to make sure I get the heart correctly, and I'm going to carry the excess concealer onto my eyelids. I'm just showing you guys. Oh, I got that arch like, ow. Yes, I got that arch on fleek. And yes, in this, you can see me applying the concealer to my eyelid. And this is, you don't have to wear eyeshadow after to apply the concealer to your eyelid. You just carry down the product to give that eye a pop, and also it's kind of like a eyeshadow, like a nudie type of eyeshadow for those natural people out there that just want to go for the all natural look. That's my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Beautiful Bronze, and I'm just applying it to the upper layer. What am I talking about? I'm applying it to the top of my brows, and I'm just ensuring that they are snatched. And be very, very careful, guys, because if you put concealer in your brows, you're going to have to redo that part with your pomade or your brow pencil. So be very patient with yourself. And this is my natural skin color. I wanted to go for, this is a natural look, so I'm going in with a damp beauty blender, and I'm using to diffuse the concealer, and I'm doing a slightly patted motion to press the product into my skin and give it a hairy, all natural hairbrush look. And I'm just showing you guys, like, if you get that beauty blender into your brows, people, you're gonna have to redo everything you just did. So take your time and be patient. I actually have to voice over this video because I made a lot of mistakes with like my product detail. I'm like, girl, we gotta get it right. So I'm just blending, as you can see, blending and doing some more blending. And yes, I'm doing your brows take time, so just be patient with yourself. And you can use, you know, a makeup brush to do this, but I choose to use the beauty blender. But use what works for you. Everyone method is different. There's no one method. What works for me may not work for you, and vice versa. And we can each one teach each other something, and it can impact our lives positively, so why not? So I'm just showing you the view of my brows, and I'm going with my spoolie to make sure that my hairs are laid and they are in a unity tone, like everything, the all the products I've been using, everything is unified. And I'm just trying to make sure that I give the front part of my brow that hairbrush feel. Like, I don't want no harsh lines or no patches or no concealer flakes, stuff. Sometimes stuff like that happens, but it's all about practice and more practice. And yes, guys, this is basically it. So I'm just giving you that up close and personal view, and this is just a one-part series to my contour and highlight, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, tell your friend, tell your cousin, tell your mother, tell your brother, and let the whole family know that I have videos coming back to back. I try to upload every Monday. I'm trying to stay true to myself and upload every Monday, because Monday is like the start of the week. You need that to refresh, you need something to give it that push, give it that humph to get you through the week, and your girl got you. So thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I got more in store for you, so put your post notifications on so you can see. I don't know why I can't talk. So you can see more of your girl. Have a good day. Bye.